Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well and studying properly in your home. Myself Divya Sahu, and today I am going to teach you a new chapter. Children, till now we have studied about living things. What living things? We have studied about plants. In the chapter Word of Plants, we have studied different parts of a plant, structure of different parts, and also I have taught you about uses of plants. Right? After that, another living things we have studied about animal life. In animal life, we have studied different characteristics of animals and their eating habits. Children, today also I am going to teach you about a new living thing. First tell me, which living thing flies in the sky? It looks very beautiful. It has feathers. Yes, birds. Birds fly in the sky. They look very beautiful. They have beautiful feathers. Right? Can you tell me which bird is national bird of India? Yes, peacock. Now, many of you may have a pet bird in your house. A green color bird, most common in many houses. Yes, that is parrot. Now children, there is one bird which sounds coo-hoo, coo-hoo. Can you name them? Yes, it is cuckoo bird. After that children, there is one bird which make holes in tree trunk. What is the name of that bird? Yes, woodpecker. Also, you must have seen different grey color birds near your houses. What is that bird? Yes, it is pigeon. Now, which bird sounds quack quack? Yes, duck. So children, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is birds. Today, we will study about birds. Children, you must have seen many types of birds. They are of different sizes. They are of different colors. Few birds are small in size. Few are big in size. Can you name the smallest bird in the world? Yes, it is hummingbird. And what is biggest bird in the world? Yes, ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Now, what about colors? Can you name any colorful bird? Yes, peacock. It is most colorful bird. Also parrots children. Parrots are of different colors. Not only green. Also crow is there. Crow is black in color. Pigeon, they are grey in color. They are white in color. Right? Sparrow is brown in color. So children, birds are of different colors. They are of different sizes. But children, do you know all the birds, they have a particular shape. And that shape is boat shaped or streamlined shape. What is the streamlined shape? That we will study in this chapter later. Also, you know children that birds lays eggs. Okay, so these were some general characteristics of birds. Now children, let's come to our next topic, and that is parts of a bird's body. Right? What are different parts in a bird's body? Like we have eyes, ear, nose, head, okay, hand, legs, abdomen, stomach. In the same way children, birds also have different body parts. So let's study them. As you can see here, I have written parts of a bird. What are the parts of a bird? You can see in this picture also. First one is head. After that, in head part, eyes are present. Bird has 2 eyes and also beak. Then they have belly. After that, birds have two wings. From wings, feathers are attached. Then birds have a tail. Then they have feet or legs, and then they have claws. So children, these are different parts of a bird's body. Now let's study what is their function. Like in head part, eyes are there. Eyes help them to see. Beak is there. Children, in bird's beak there is no teeth. Teeth are absent in birds. What is function of beak? Beak helps a bird to eat food. Next, they have belly. You can compare it with stomach part. Next, birds have wings. Children, birds do not have arms. Instead of arms, they have wings. Wings help a bird to fly. And children, to these wings, feathers are attached, which is the characteristic feature of birds. Feathers are not present in any other living organism. Feathers are present only in birds. So children, to wings, feathers are attached. Next one is tail. On the back side of the bird, as you can see in this picture, there is one tail. What is the function of tail, children? During flight, when a bird flies, this tail helps a bird to change the direction. Okay? Now the next one is feet or legs. Birds have two legs. With the help of legs, birds, they walk, or you can say they hop. Some birds, they walk by little bit jumping. That is called hopping. So birds walk or hop with the help of their legs. Next one is claws, children. All the birds, in their feet, they have claws. They have toes. Okay, what is the function of claws? Claws are attached to toes. We can compare claws with our nails. Now, what is the function of claws in birds? Children, claws are used for different purposes, like catching the prey, to protect them from enemies, also for scratching. There are different functions of claws that we will study later in this chapter. So children, these are different parts of a bird: head, eyes, then beak, wings, tail, belly, feet or legs, and claws. Right? Come to our next topic for today, and that is features that help a bird to fly. Okay? So children, first feature that help a bird to fly is streamlined body. What is it? First one is streamlined body. What is a streamlined body, children? It is actually board shaped. In a streamlined body, the front part of the body is thin and the middle part is broader, like this. See, you are seeing that if it is the front part, it is thin in size, and in the middle it is broader in shape, and then again it is thin or it is tapered. So in a streamlined body, you can also say that it is board shaped. In middle it is broader, and at the ends it gets tapers. Okay, so that is streamlined body. How a streamlined body shape help a bird to fly? Children, as you are seeing that it is pointed. Okay, it is thinner in the front. So this shape helps a bird to cut through the air easily. Okay, so to cut through air easily, this streamlined body help a bird to fly easily. Right? So first characteristic feature that help a bird to fly is they have a streamlined body to cut through the air so that they can fly easily. Second characteristic feature is children, hollow bones. Children, if you take any empty can, it will be light weighted in comparison if you fill anything inside it and then you weight it. So children, hollow means nothing is filled inside the bones. Birds have hollow bones. That's why their body weight become less. So these hollow bones, they make weight of a bird's body light weighted, so that during flight they can lift their body easily. They can fly easily. So the second characteristic feature that help a bird to fly is that birds have hollow bones. Right? Now third, all of you know that children, birds have wings. All the birds, they have wings to fly. And to these wings, what are attached? To these wings, feathers are attached. So these wings and feathers, they help a bird to fly. Right? So children, that is about features that help a bird to fly easily. Children, our next topic for today is flightless birds. Birds which cannot fly, they are called flightless birds. Different examples are there. First, I am telling you about penguins. Penguins, they cannot fly. But children, that doesn't mean that penguins, they do not have wings. Children, penguins, they have wings. But these wings don't help penguin to fly. They are more like flippers. Do you know what is flipper? Flipper are present in aquatic animals, water animals, which help them to swim. So children, in penguins also, wings are present which work like a flipper. And they help penguin to swim in the water. Right? After that, second example is kiwi, emu, ostrich. Then other examples are rhea, cassowary. So children, these examples like kiwi, emu, ostrich, rhea, cassowary, they have small wings. Okay? These small weak wings, they cannot help these birds to fly because they are very small. They are weak. So children, these birds cannot fly. And do you know what is other reason? Other than that small wings they have? Children, these birds, they have very heavy body weight. And they are having very small wings, thin wings, weak wings. So these small, thin wings, which are called puny wings, they cannot lift their body to fly because their body weight is very high. That's why children, these birds are also included under flightless birds. Okay? So what are flightless birds? Flightless birds which cannot fly, like penguin, then kiwi, ostrich, rhea, cassowary and emu. In these birds, they have puny wings, and these wings, they cannot lift their heavy weight for flying. That's why these birds, they do not fly. Okay children? Children, let's revise our today's topic. Today we have studied about general features of a bird. Like birds are of different sizes. they are of different colors. Some are colorful, some are black, some are brown, grey, white. Some are very small, like smallest bird is hummingbird. Other small birds like sparrow, swallowbird. And some birds, they are big in size, like ostrich, eagle. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Then I have taught you that all the birds, they have wings to fly. All the birds, they have beaks. Now children, feather. Feather is the peculiar characteristic feature of all the birds. It is present only in birds. Feathers are attached to birds. Also, birds, they lay eggs. Some birds, they have small wings. Some birds, they have large wings. After that, we have studied about parts of a bird's body. A bird has different parts in its body, like it has head, eyes, beak, belly, wings, feathers, tail, feet or legs, and claws. Children, with the help of beak, birds, they eat. They do not have teeth in their beak. By using their wings, they fly. Feathers attached to wings, they help a bird to fly. Instead of arms, arms are absent in birds. Instead of arms, birds have wings. Then they have belly. Birds have two legs to hop or to walk. In their legs, they have toes and claws. Claws, they perform different functions like to catch the prey, to protect them from enemies, to hold the branches. After that, we have studied about different characteristics, features which help a bird to fly. And what are those? First one, I have told that all the birds, they have a streamlined body. In a streamlined body, the middle portion of the body is broader and it get tapers on the side. It is like this one. It is board shaped. So the front part of the body is thin. In the middle, body is broader in shape. This shape, children, help a bird to fly easily and to cut through the air. Right? Next one, after the streamlined body, what characteristic help a bird to fly? Yes, hollow bones. Birds have hollow bones. It is not filled with anything. It is filled with air only. That's why, because of hollow bones, body of a bird, it becomes light-weighted. And this light-weighted body, it helps them to fly easily. They can lift their body easily and they can fly easily in the air. And the third feature is that all the birds, they have wings. To wings, feathers are attached which help them to fly. Okay? And also children, tail, what is tail? Function of tail is they help a bird to change the direction during a flight. Okay? Then I have told you about flightless birds. What are flightless birds? As the name itself suggesting, flightless birds, they cannot fly. Different examples like penguin. Penguin have wings, but these wings are more suitable to live in water. Penguin's wing help them to swim in the water. It works like flippers. Next children, ostrich, kiwi, emu. These birds, they have very small, weak wings. These small and weak wings are called puny wings. So children, these puny wings, they are not able to make a bird fly because they are very thin and weak. They are small. Body of these birds like emu, ostrich, rhea, cassowary, their body is very much weighted. There is so much weight in their body. That's why they cannot lift their body in the air. And that's why they cannot fly. So children, that was about flightless birds. So children, that was all about our today's topic. Hope all the things are clear to you. What are the characteristics of birds? What are parts of a body of a bird? What characters help a bird to fly? And what are flightless birds? So children, that was all for today. Hope you got all the points. Revise the lesson, and in our next session, we will study about different topics about birds. Till then, have a nice day, keep smiling and keep studying. Thank you.